Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the saved payment method, that's credit card or debit card, from Google Play Store. When you add a payment method while making a purchase, it will be automatically saved into your account. Here we'll show you how to remove payment method used for Google Play purchases. Let's start. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store app. Tap Payment Methods. Tap More Payment Settings. If asked, sign in to pay.google.com. Under the payment method, you can see the saved credit or debit card. Select the card you want to remove. Tap Remove. The payment method will be removed from your Google account and Play Store. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.